Start. Power of court to release certain offenders after admonition. Where any person is found guilty of having committed an offence punishable under section 379 or section 380 or section 381 or section 404 or section 420 of the Indian Penal Code, or any offence punishable with imprisonment for not more than 2 years, or with fine, or with both, under the Indian Penal Code or any other law, and no previous conviction is proved against him, and the court by which the person is found guilty is of opinion that, having regard to the circumstances of the case, including the nature of the offence and the character of the offender, it is expedient so to do, then, notwithstanding anything contained in any other law for the time being in force, the court may, instead of sentencing him to any punishment or releasing him on probation of good conduct under section 4, release him after due admonition. Stop. Explanation. For the purpose of this section, previous conviction against a person shall include any previous order made against him under this section or section 4. Stop para. Power of court to release certain offenders on probation of good conduct. Stop. When any person is found guilty of having committed an offence not punishable with death or imprisonment for life, and the court by which the person is found guilty is of opinion that, having regard to the circumstances of the case, including the nature of the offence and the character of the offender, it is expedient to release him on probation of good conduct, then, notwithstanding anything contained in any other law for the time being in force, the court may, instead of sentencing him at once to any punishment, direct he be released on his entering into a bond with or without sureties to appear and receive sentence when called upon during such period not exceeding 3 years, as the court may direct, and in the meantime to keep the peace and be of good behavior, provided that the court shall not direct such release of an offender unless it is satisfied that the offender or his surety, if any, has a fixed place of abode or regular occupation in the place over which the court exercises jurisdiction, or in which the offender is likely to live during the period for which he enters into the bond. Stop para. Section 4 of the Probation of Offenders Act 1958 is applicable where a person is found guilty of committing an offence where punishment is neither life sentence nor death. Stop. The court may release such an accused on probation of good conduct on his furnishing a bond as mentioned in section. The court, in applying the provisions of this section, is also required to consider the circumstances of the case, character of the offender, and nature of offence before exercising its discretion. Stop para. A perusal of the aforesaid provisions of the Probation of Offender Act 1958 thus clearly indicate that Section 4 of the 1950 Act does not create any distinction between the category of offenders, and the provision of the said section can be made applicable in any case where the offender is found guilty for committing an offence which is not punishable with death or imprisonment for life.